Hello everyone. Today, I want to share with you my passion for perfume making, also known as aromatherapy. Perfume making is not just about creating an aroma that we like. It's also about understanding the chemistry behind it and the importance of each ingredient we use. Let's get started with the first step of making your own perfume: choosing your ingredients. You can use a combination of essential oils, absolutes, and dry flowers. However, it's essential to choose high-quality ingredients to ensure that your perfume lasts longer and has a unique scent. The next step is to mix your ingredients. You'll need a double boiler or a heat-safe container and a pot of water. You can use any kind of oil or solvent that you want, such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, or vegetable oil. Be sure to mix everything well to ensure even distribution of the ingredients. After that, you'll need to distill your mixture. This process involves heating your mixture and then transferring the steam into a container that has been filled with water. The steam will condense and collect in the container, creating a fragrant liquid. Now comes the crucial step of separating the oil from the water. You'll need to use a separating funnel and decant the oil into a container. This process can take some time, so be patient. Remember, every little bit counts. Finally, it's time to test your perfume. Put a few drops of your perfume on a cotton swab and apply it to your pulse or the back of your neck. Let it sit for a few minutes before assessing the scent. If it's not to your liking, you can adjust the proportions of the ingredients or try a different combination. That's it. You now have your very own homemade perfume. Not only will you have a unique scent that you can enjoy, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing that you made it yourself. So go ahead and experiment and create your own signature scent. Thank you for watching.